TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. Our 1 p.m. update. We've got the Dow off 42 points. S&P's up 5. NASDAQ 100 is up 11 points. Russell 2000 is the key here. It's leading the markets to the upside. It's up 1%, up 14 points. Trade out at 1591. You've got the SOX semiconductors. They're flat out here. You've got the NASDAQ composite up about 0.3%. Trannies are down 3, so not much going on there. The VIX pulling back a bit. It's off 63 pennies, or about 5%. If we take a quick peek at the Russell, let's go actually take a look at the Russell 2000 equity futures contract. Let me go ahead and pull that up on my screen here. Should just be one more click away. Here we go. And let's see what we can find. You know, where is this thing headed to? Where's support and resistance? Well, if you're watching us right now on Tiger-TV, we're looking at 5 different time frames. 30 minutes on the left, 60 minutes next to it, 240, the daily and the weekly. You will see that each of those bars are green. What does that mean? That means that this is bullish. That means that the Russell 2000 should continue higher. You might say, where to? And that's a great question out here. Right now, here's what we know. We take a look at the 60-minute time frame out here. It's up above a little swing point out here that took place about 3 o'clock in the afternoon on January 17, 2 days ago. This says to you and I that the Russell 2000, with a mind of its own, is headed back to its highs. And that's up in the 1607.10 level. There's not anything that you and I can find on this chart, we take a look at its TAS market profiles, to suggest otherwise out there. The rest of the markets basically flat. If we take a look at the S&P 500, it's got a little doji candle out here. Just means the market is a bit tired, probably waiting to see what happens in the Senate. As long as the S&P 500, with regard to whether we're open or closed, hey, here at TFNN, we're always open for business, unless the market's closed. Speaking of closes, as long as the S&P stays above 2788, Stevie's red line, the markets will continue to march higher. What else do we have to take a look at here? Gold, not really doing a whole heck of a lot. The key here in Goldilocks is making sure that it stays above Stevie's red line as well, and that level is 1328.30. Have a great day, folks. Stay tuned. A guy by the name of Steve Rhodes is going to be up next.